Hello gorgeous people and welcome back to my channel and to another video. I'm so excited for this Goo Goo hair extensions review video. I'm going to be taking you to the salon to get them fitted, see what content I can get of them being fitted in. But my hair is quite short, she's been through a lot and I'm ready to get some tape-ins. I have had hair extensions from Goo Goo before, but the clip-ins. But we are having an upgrade and I'm super thrilled and excited. If you want to see more of like going through the hair extensions and all that jazz, then please stay tuned. She's in the process of everything being done. I've got my nails done, probably got them a little bit too early, got my lashes done last night, and it's hair day. I go on holiday Monday. Monday is Thursday today, so I go on Monday to Cape Verde, so I'm really excited and looking forward to that. But she needs her hair dreams to come true, so this video is kindly in collaboration with Goo Goo Hair, and I'm so over the moon to show you the extensions because I have worked with them before and I love them. So I'm excited to take you on this little vlog of getting them fitted in. But first of all, I'm going to be showing you the hair extensions now, my hair before, like a before and after. It's tied up at the moment, and then we're going to go get them fitted, so it's all really exciting. So if you're in store for this, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe for the vlogs to come, holiday outfits. I've actually pinched this top from a Pretty Little Thing haul I'm going to be doing, so she couldn't find anything to wear, let's just put it like that. And let's get straight on into showing you the extensions. So many boxes, oh my god, I'm just getting more excited now. It's getting closer to the time. So here I have 150 grams of the 20-inch. I didn't want to go any longer just because I have been 22-inch in the past and it was very long. So we have 60 pieces here. I'm going to open up one box, but as you can see they're all sealed and they have the extensions in there with the tape, sticky residue glue that you use, a clip and the hair. So I've gone for Bleach Blonde Balayage with the help of the team, which I am super thrilled about. Let's open one. Ta-da! So it does actually come in this packet. I've just taken it out of it. Inside you get your hair. I'm gonna put that down. You get a clip. I love these clips. I've still got my other one from when I had my clip-ins. And then you do have an instruction manual, and then like I said, you have like the tape sticky residue, so you can order this at home. I just said, like, I just don't want to do it myself because I just know my arms will get tired and I'm just such like a little perfectionist that I just don't trust myself really, and I'm not like 100% into hair. I just want it to be perfect rose, and with my hair type I think this is the major factor, is my hair is quite thick. You wouldn't think it, but it is actually quite thick and just frizzy. I've got frizzy wavy curly hair. It just is a mess. So what I like about extensions, as I know it sounds bad, but they actually do weigh your hair down a little bit, especially with like wavy hair. When you dry it, you're meant to dry it downwards so it doesn't get much frizz, and with having tape-ins it just helps carry the hair down so you don't get as much frizz. So here we have the Bleach Blonde Balayage. As you can see, we've got some darker tones at the top, and it sort of goes into like a blonde, like a brown into a blonde balayage, and you have it like running through the bottom of the hair. As you can see, you sort of have like a line here, like a transitional line, but it does actually weave through the bottom, the brunette. And I went for this just because when my hair is down, which I'll show you, it is, as you can see, brown and then blonde at the bottom. So let's just say it was here. That is quite long. It's coming underneath my like top of my rib cage. Is that the top of your rib cage? Sort of like mid-length. So that's why I went for 20-inch, because if I went 22 it'd be down here. I'm just like slowly, maybe I'll get there, and it's just a good little indication of when my natural hair grows. So I'm so excited to get these fitted. I'm going to be showing you now my hair before and then after, and then we're pretty much going to the salon. before I show you the afters technically. So I'm going to show you the befores, get my hair down and show you a little side by side of what this will look like, but I am pretty sure you'll see it more blended when I get them done at the salon. She's got long hair, so I've come out of my appointment. It is a bit windy, so I'm a little bit windswept. It's gonna get some used to. Like, I was in the chair, and because I had it all back, I'd be like, oh, you know, when you've got long hair, like I haven't had long hair in such a long time. So I'm just doing a quick little check-in because I am going to go do some shopping. Just a quick little holiday shop for some SPF and everything, some foundation. But I just wanted to do a quick check-in with my hair. I fear it's a very windy day, so the curls might drop. But oh my god, I will check in later to give you a full review. Oh my god. Can we take a minute to appreciate the length of my new hair? I'm so happy I've got this length for holiday. Let me tell you that now. I feel like Rapunzel, literally. Mind the mood. I'm just very ecstatic. I haven't had hair for a long time and they are gorgeous. So even my hairdresser said as a review that she hasn't worked with hair extensions that aren't Beauty Works, and because I said they're 100% Remy human hair likewise, and she is almost obsessed with me as the quality, because the funny thing is she is pretty much the same colour as this. I think the only thing is that I've got quite a cooler tone route, whereas this Bleach Blonde Balayage is more of a warmer tone, but as you can tell it blends in seamlessly. The only thing is just that I'm a cool tone brown, and that's nothing to do with the hair extensions because they blend in seamlessly, and with blonde you can get away with a bit of orangey hues because they do literally go orange. If you've got blonde hair you have to tone them just so you don't get any copper tones. So overall I'm absolutely obsessed with them. As I said, they are the 20-inch, so this is what a 20-inch looks like on a 5'3" girly. Bearing in mind I think I'm a shorter torso short girl, so I've got a shorter torso, and to be fair I got a short torso short legs, so don't even compare. But I am 5'2", 5'3". I'm obsessed with them, literally obsessed. How nice are they? The only thing is now I know that I won't be able to curl them as nice as my hairdresser has done them today. And I'll probably sit down and show you the rest of the hair like up close, but in the packs they've got like these invisible ones. I'll put a picture on screen where you put them near the front and they're literally like invisible, like there's hair on them, if that makes sense. Instead of your normal taping where the tape's at the top, you can still sandwich them together but there's more hair. So when I sit down I'll show you the fringe, but let's just take a moment. She's a bit windswept, but calming myself down with how enthusiastic I am. So in the box, these seamless front tapes are perfect for the front of your head of hair. I've got 2 spares here, and I also have my stickies for my maintenance, which I've already booked in. So I've booked in that for 6 weeks time. This hair in total should last or go throughout the duration of the next 6 to 12 months, depending on upkeep. I'm not too sure actually on their website what it actually says, but it's just like a general overview of hair extensions. 6 to 12 months is how long they last. Obviously 100% Remy human hair, and they're sustainably sourced, gently coloured, so I'm assuming they will last that full duration. If not, I'm praying for like 8 months. That would be great. It's just keeping on top of the hair care. Let's get into showing you. So with the front pieces being so seamless, you can barely see them. I'm just very cool tone, you can see it being a bit warmer up here, and then another one, trying to find them. There you go, there's some more. So I'm just a little bit cooler tone in my natural hair, but they do blend seamlessly. I am obsessed. I can't stop banging on about it. But if you are interested, I do have a discount code, which is Fiona20, and that's if you spend over $30. In pounds, I think that's around £22–23. But all in all, if you want to stick around for an updated review on the duration and durability of them, then I'll do a separate video or vloggy style updates. But I'm absolutely obsessed with Goo Goo hair. They are so amazing and good quality. I think I'm just gonna end up in a full circle of repeating myself. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I'm gonna get used to it and enjoy it over my holiday. So if you wanna see what sort of styles I do with these hair extensions, then subscribe just so you can see some of the vlogs. Apart from that, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Enjoy your weekend and happy hair day. Bye.